Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code with AWS Bedrock in VS Code. First, set up your AWS account and get access to Amazon Bedrock. Log into AWS, go to Bedrock, and request access to Claude models. Wait for approval because this step is important. Next, install the AWS CLI on your system. After installation, you can verify it by typing AWS version in your terminal. Then, configure AWS credential by running AWS configure. You need to enter access key, secret key, and the region, for example, AS-East-1. This connects your system to AWS. Now open your project in Visual Studio Code. Launch VS Code and open your project folder. You'll run Claude Code commands inside the terminal here. To use Claude via AWS Bedrock, first install the AWS SDK by typing npm install at aws-sdk/client-bedrock-runtime. Then, ask Claude Code to generate the integration by typing Claude. Write node.js code to call the Claude model using AWS Bedrock API. For example, Claude will generate code like this: import Bedrock runtime client and invoke model command from the SDK. Create a client with your region and send a request to the model with a prompt. Finally, run a test code in your VS Code. Open the terminal and type node-index.js. Claude's responses will appear directly in your terminal. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.